All right, friends. Good morning. Today we are at Siddhapura, and this place is called Vintage Cars, and it's a collection of vintage and classic beauties. So we dropped by here on our return, and lovely view of the valley as well. So it's totally tucked into a coffee estate, and then it's all kept inside the garage. So let's go ahead and quickly take a tour of the place. Wow, this is the Ford Jeep. Amazing. Wow, what a beauty. This is Austin. I think one of places where you could see this many vintage cars together. Plymouth. I've never seen this car. Bedford van 1952. I think one Java is lying here. This is Thames. Wow, manufacturer UK. Oh, the Mofa. The small little moped what we saw back in the 80s from Enfield. Ford Anglia. It's a two-door saloon with a 933cc made in the UK. Okay, the Rajdoot. Vanguard. What's Vanguard? Produced by Standard Motor Company. Another Rajdoot. Wow. Another Rajdoot, another SD. Wow, wow, wow. What a car. Ford Mercury 1951. So all those who are really passionate about the antiques, I think this is for them, out to them. So amazing collection of cars here. So if you happen to visit this place, Siddhapura, it is near Virajpet. Definitely do make it a point to visit this vintage car museum. So it's about close to I think 110 cars here. This is supposedly the bullock cart, the two-wheeled or four-wheeled pulled by the oxen, which is still used in which was used in the ancient times and many parts of the world. I think this is the good old Fiat, which many of us might have seen back in the 80s and 90s, early 90s. So this is the Willis station wagon. What a big Jeep. This is the standard, I think this is the standard 1000 what we had. So I've seen this on the roads when I was a kid. Okay, the Luna, and I'm not sure which car is this, but okay, I think this is the Subega, the mopeds, the Fiat, the Ambi, Vauxhall 1951. Wow. Still a lot more of cars to be covered here. So my friends are discussing about the cars and having a nice time here. All right, so this is a standard Triumph Herald. This is a Morris 1936, Morris 8. Amazing. This is a small little Fiat. This is a Morris Minor 1951, made in England. What a collection. Really, all these cars must have been used by the mostly the British who were in the India during the British rule and then left these behind when they went away. That's a Ford Model Y 1936. This is a beautiful legend, Volkswagen Beetle 1976. What a car, what a color. This is a Fiat 1100, a very iconic car. Many of us really wanted to own this back in those days. This is Triumph Mayflower. This is Opel Kadett. Wow, what a collection, guys! What a collection. Austin A40. I think a matte colored Java here. And the Willis Jeep, iconic Willis Jeep. Four-wheel drive. This is Ford Popular 1953. Wow, wow, wow. What a car. Wow, looks amazing. The color scheme. This is Austin. It's called Austin 8. It's a small car made by the Austin Motor Company back in 1939. So a lot of my friends are discussing about all those cars and a lot of some deep conversations going on there about the bikes or the cars and all that. This is such a big wagon from the Ford company. Wow. This is called Hillman Minx. Year of manufacturing 1962. And many more cars inside, like the Dolphin and all that, what you see there, that's tucked in a way. So I think some history here about the car drome and the person who, you know, the story behind all this in terms of the collector, collections, and all of that. And yeah, truly nice place. So do definitely make it a point to visit, guys. So it's really good, and really enjoyed seeing the beauties of the past. And it's a huge garage full of these cars. So yeah, so do stay tuned and enjoy this video. Thank you, guys.